First, I'm going to tell you what this video is all about. So, usually we get like motivation, inspiration, and confidence, and we seek so much to get all these things in everyday life, like whatever you do every day. So, this video is focused on inspiration, but more from a very negative way, like from a negative way, that is envy. So we don't usually use the word envy, but some of you have come across this word, or some of you haven't heard this word envy. But envy is just like an emotion where you can turn that into a positive thing. So we seek inspiration, confidence, motivation from so many people we see, or so many people we speak, or from our parents, from our friends, or from our leaders, or the team leaders, or everyone around us. But most amazing thing is from you're going to change a negative thing to a positive one. The speciality of this particular video, and I'm going to tell you how and what will happen if you do that. Envy is just an uneasy feeling where you feel that when you see someone achieve something or succeeding, literally, or it is simply you can say that they have got something what you want, what you desire, or they are living the life that you dream of. That's when you get that feeling, that emotion called envy. It's just like sad, happy, or some any kind of emotion which we get. Usually it's just an envy. We usually say that it's a jealousy thing, but envy is something which we feel every time. Yeah. So what you do with this emotion is the difference that you're going to make. You can do so much to that. You can just put so much of effort and just make it grow, or turn that into a positive thing called inspiration. Welcome back to this channel. If you're into self development and you want to love yourself more, I think this is the right place, and let's grow together and just have the best version of ourselves together. Let's take an example that you're seeing of people who are living their best life in social media, and you're just feeling that envy in you, and you're not really doing anything, and you just scroll to another page who just living the same life as them, and you're feeling another envy again. You're just doing it again and again. What happens is that that emotion, that particular emotion, is just controlling you. Just like we say that anger controls you or the sadness controls you, just like that envy is controlling you to be, or to compare yourself with others. So the first thing you have to do is acknowledge why you're feeling it. If you see someone living their best life, which you really want, just acknowledge why you're feeling it. Is that the way they dress, or is that the place they live in, and what else? Just tell yourself, just acknowledge that you're feeling envious because of these things. Because acknowledging what you feel is just taking so much power from what you're actually feeling. So the next thing is, let's find the root of envy. So when you see, if you are feeling very envious or very jealous of the group of friends, or they are posting a story or post or anything like that, you feel that envious, and you have to find why you feel that. And you found that you don't really have much friends, or you don't actually get together with the friends which you have, and they are just enjoying their best life with their friends out there. So is that the root of your envy? Just go network and speak to people and get friends, go out, speak. So that's how you're going to find the root of your envy. It is just a simple example for friends. You can just find whatever root of your envy is, just like a career or the business or money goals, your skin goals, your makeup goals, and everything. You can just find why you're feeling that envy, just by looking and just asking yourself why you're feeling that feeling. The next step is action. You have to take action for what the root is. So, for example, I was just a girl who really wanted straight hair because I have a naturally curly hair. So people around me usually have straight hair, and I was very much jealous of their hair. So I just wanted their straight hair. But later on, I just figured out that I can just be so much happy with the curly hair that I have. So I just saw so many people who do their curly routines, who cherish their curly hair. And what I felt was, I was, of course, very feeling that envy when I saw that curly hair girls. So I started taking actions. So I started doing things to make my hair curly, beautiful. So that's the action that I took when I saw curly hair girls. So that's how I took action. So there are so many things that you can do also. Just like I told about the friends, you can just go network and go out with your friends. So if you're feeling an envy of seeing someone's makeup, which I had previously, so I started buying products and started trying everything that I wanted, even though I didn't know anything. So that's how I changed my envy into an inspiration. But I didn't even know that that was a thing, but I did that. So first, we need to acknowledge that envy and change it. Find the root and give an action to that. It's so simple as that, which you can just do it in within 10 seconds in your mind. If someone is so great at speaking or so great at calculating finances or anything like that, or investing or saving, everything, you just have to find what skill they have which you don't have, and you have to find it, and you just have to learn and just do that instead of feeling and being sad about their situation and your situation probably. The final thing is gratitude. Practice gratitude, because if you want something in your life, you need to be happy for what you have now. Instead of complaining for the things that you don't really have in your life, be so grateful for what you have. Be grateful for the phone which you can see or which you can speak to people. Be grateful for the sunlight. There are so many things that you can be grateful for. I'll just put a list of things which you can be grateful for, just like you can just categorize it with the environment or yourself or the things which is around you, or for the people who are there for you in your life. What I've recently figured out is that whenever I complain about something, I could see things or people just going away from me. And when I stopped complaining and just be grateful for whatever I have, it was just so magnetic. And I got like so many things to be grateful for. I was so happy doing everything. That's the happy part in the journey that you live in. So the next time the envy hits you, you're going to acknowledge it, find the root, and put it into action, and be so grateful for what you have now. And I'll find you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.